Hello guys, what's up? What's up, my loves? Welcome. I am your hostess with the mostest, Tonyanicole, and welcome guys. How y'all doing? I hope everyone is having a wonderful, marvelous day. Today guys, we have my PR package from Ipsy, and I'm very excited to bust this baby open. I kind of sort of peeked a little bit because I was gonna write prices down, but I got sidetracked. So boo, listen, I don't know what's the Glam bag. The plus is just kind of all like spread out in here. I'm gonna just show y'all what we got in here. What y'all think? Yeah, y'all interested in that? I know you are. Stay right there, boo, because it's coming soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, my loves. Okay, so as I said before, we're going to try to do this quick little video. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my PR box. If this box goes out after my Glam bag video, please make sure that you guys check that video out so you can compare and see what we got in both boxes. So yes, if you haven't seen the BoxyCharm premium base box videos, make sure you check those out as well. I'll link them down below just in case. I do appreciate everyone that supports my channel. I do. Y'all know y'all mean the world to me. Thank you all so much. Also guys, I have some red wine today. We're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. So pretty much this box here is a box. Ipsy reached out to me a few months back, asked me if I wanted to unbox their Open Studios box. So I said, absolutely. PR, y'all know I love PR. I love anything that starts with a P, really. Well, not really, but anyway. Girl, here I go rambling. But they asked me if I wanted to unbox their boxes, and I said, absolutely. So they send over products that you guys will see in your boxes as well as your choice items. But this is the box right here. It is a big box, and I haven't watched any other PR unboxings yet. Once I do mine, I will watch some and see what they got. I noticed last month I had I had a few different products from most YouTubers, and that made me feel kind of good. So I'm just going to start, first of all, with this little baggie here. Now, I'm going to tell y'all right now, the theme for the month was Stronger Together. You got this, equality. That's what it looks like right there. And oh, they gave us some little refreshment things as well. Let's start with the Glam Bag Plus right here. I love this bag, guys. I really do. So when we open it up, this is what we're looking like on the, on the inside. And I'm gonna look quickly through the box and see if I can find the fifth product. So let me just go with what's in this bag first. So, okay, I'm slipping and tripping. So this is the Glam bag. This one would be $12 per month. You're supposed to get 5 deluxe or sample size products in here with the occasional full size product. So yes. All right, guys. So first up, we have from, who is this from? Cocoa Kind. I'm about to say Cuckoo. I think it's Cocoa Kind. And this is a resurfacing sleep mask. You get 15 milliliters of product in here. I've never heard of this brand before, but I always love a sleep mask because you can wear it while you're sleeping. It does have a safety seal, so I won't open it, but okay, cool. I do like sleep mask, and it says it's, packaged in a sugarcane made tube. And you're going to apply an even layer to clean skin, keeping clear of eyes and lips. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Use 3 to 4 times per week. So that's our first little product in that bag. Our second product comes from KVD Beauty. Oh, it's a little translucent powder. It's the Lock It Setting Powder. Oh my God. Okay, now I do like this. Now, y'all know KVD, you know, Kat Von D. I'm not checking for your girl or her husband, really. But this little setting powder I actually purchased before I found out about all that controversy and stuff. And I love it because it's not white. You see, it has like a little tint to it. It's like a beige color. And I'm excited for this because this powder actually kept me quite oil-free. So I'm happy for this. You get, let's see, how much we get in here? 1.4 grams of product. It is little, but a little bit of this, guys, goes a really long way. So, I mean, it won't last me too long, but at least it'll be a good little in-between filler. I love it. Okay. Then I have from St. Lux, we have a highlighter in the shade Rose Quartz. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to open this little container. All right, we do get a little mirror. Hey, boo. And that's the color right there, my loves. Now, this is kind of light for me, so I won't swatch it. I'll just put it in a giveaway. It is a beautiful, like, rosy tint, but I think it's going to be too light for me, so I'll put it in a future giveaway for one of you guys. I'm fumbling all over my words, girl. Like, a hot mess. Next product we have is from Celia. This is a Seed to Skin scrub right here. And I will not lie to you guys, it feels empty. It's 20 milliliters of product. It's a natural grain polish. Let's see. It does have a seal on it. I'm not going to open it. Oh, no, it's full. Okay, yeah, I had to press it a little bit because it felt kind of empty, you know? So, okay, I'm happy to get this. I did get a lotion from this company in my Ipsy last month, and this stuff, well, the lotion is amazing. I love it. I can't find it. I know it's on this table somewhere, but I do love it. So I'm excited to use, oh, it's a Seed to Skin scrub. So I'm very excited to use that, my loves. So that was all that I had inside of this little bag. We're going to pull out, this is the Glam Bag Plus bag, and you guys, when you receive yours, it will be filled with your products already. They just send mine kind of flat and out of the thing, but I ain't tripping, girl. All right, first product up is from Item Beauty. It's the One Hit Prime Set and Refresh Spray. And if you watched my unboxing last month, I did choose this product last month. I don't think I've used it yet, but yeah, I did choose it. You do get 80 milliliters of product in here, and it is a dewy setting spray. So this one I will not open because I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. Then we have from Florence by Mills, this Glow Yeah lip oil right here. Love it. And this is 8 milliliters of product. Apply whenever your lips are thirsty for moisture. I love a lip oil. As y'all know, my lips be so dry, but girl, it's been doing better with a little lip oil. All right, that's what we're looking like right there, loves. Perfect. And I'm going to open it up and see. Ooh, okay, that's the applicator right there. We're going to squeeze a little bit out. Put it on. Ooh, a lot came out. Okay, it feels a little, you know, greasy, but it gave my lips a nice little shine. So, okay, I don't mind the lip oil. I can always, like, keep this by my bed, keep it at my fiance's house or whatever. So, perfect. Then we got, ooh, girl, from Purlisse, this Silk Glow BB Base Primer. It's oil-free, satin sheen, natural glow finish, extends makeup wear, is for all skin types, even sensitive skin. I love Purlisse's products. You get an ounce of product in here or 30 milliliters. Ooh, I'm excited about this, y'all. Yes, I'm excited. That's what it looks like outside. It says the benefits, it provides brighter skin tone, prolongs your foundation wear, improves skin complexion, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, dullness, and other signs of aging. You're going to smooth a thin layer over clean, moisturized skin. Apply the Purlisse BB or CC cream for smooth, even coverage. I am happy to see it. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. It has a little tint to it. That's what it looks like right there. All righty. There we go, guys. Okay. No real scent. Okay, I'm happy. Now I'm excited about this, y'all. I love Purlisse. I'm excited about that one. We have a couple more products, my loves. Ooh. We have these Moda brushes right here. This is a 5-piece brush set, eye set. Now, I'm going to be having problems with my nails with this little brush set. Let's see. Girl, I'm trying not to pop my little nails off. There we go. Perfect. Ooh, now these are really nice. So we have these 5 brushes right here. Nice eyeshadow brushes. We have the Standout Sweep brush. We have the Tapered Contour Crease brush right here. That's my favorite. We have the Come Through Contour brush, the Smoky Detailer brush, and the Miss Shady Lady brush. Okay, I love these. Motor brushes are really nice. They feel really nice and luxe. I'm excited about these brushes. Definitely gonna be adding this to my collection if my sister doesn't steal them. And then our last product in the box for the plus would be this right here. And I think this is from Belle on Argent. I don't know, but I'll put it down there so you guys can see. This is the Plum Premonition palette right there. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. Look at that packaging. Y'all, I'm not going to show y'all my table. So I'm going to just show y'all like that because I don't want y'all to see all the mess on this table. But I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It's a mirror on top of a mirror on top of a mirror, girl. Open her up. Oh, girl, we do get a mirror. Hey, boo. And let's put this over here. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that palette. Oh my God, I love this. I have to swatch this. Oh my goodness. Oh, you get matte shades and buttery. You get some shimmer shades. Oh, look at that. Let's swatch it. Oh, well, we can put it right here. Let's see. You really can't see it too well, but those are some of the shades. This is like really close to my skin tone. Swatched out. This is one swatch each. Don't pay attention to the ashy elbow. Alrighty, so I am excited to check and use this palette. It is gorgeous. Please, please, please let me know if you received this one in your box because it's beautiful. I love the packaging on that. Gorgeous. And y'all, I think that was all that we got in our Glam Bag Plus. So we got the palette, the Perlice product, the Item Beauty spray, the lip oil, and the motor brushes. So yes, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling the brushes for sure, the palette, the lip oil, and the Perlice product. So this was like a really good PR box for this month. Now, let me get my little card so I can read up about these refreshments. So the refreshments part, now last month they sent over a razor and some shaving cream. And I tell you what, y'all, I hate using razors, especially on the vagina because, ooh, the razor bumps is something serious, girl. And the itch, oh my God, I hate it. So I don't really like to use razors on my private areas. But I said, well, let me test this one out and see how it feels on my legs, under my arms, and, you know, down there. And I must say it did not cause me any irritation. That is odd because everything causes irritation on me. But I must say it was so gentle. The razors were so gentle and they got really close. I love it. So yes. Now, this month they sending over the Pamper Your Pits with this new breezy deodorant. It's 100% clean, vegan, cruelty-free ingredients. It does not have aluminum or baking soda in it. It's clinically allergy and dermatology tested. It's available in 4 scents, including unscented. And yes, love. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. Let's see. So first deodorant here is the Breezy Unscented deodorant right there. And I do love unscented deodorant. Sometimes I like to wear scented just so I don't feel, you know, I like to sometimes smell my deodorant, I guess. Does that make sense? Yes. But unscented sometimes is the way to go, especially like when I'm like just going to work or something. I'll use the scented for when I'm like working out. All right, y'all pretty much know what a deodorant looks like, huh? It doesn't have a scent, so I don't know why I'm even trying. Yeah, it doesn't. So that's what it looks like right there. Oh, it feels nice and soft on my skin though. Okay. Cool. What are these for, guys? Tell me what y'all think that's for. I don't know. Girl, I always just throw it in the garbage. Okay, so we got the first is the unscented deodorant. And then we have the eucalyptus jalap. I don't know what that says. It's a breezy deodorant right here. Now, eucalyptus is my best friend, and I know I'm going to enjoy this one. I'm definitely going to put this on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it smells just like eucalyptus. That's what it looks like. And it's cooling. It feels nice on the skin. Oh my God, I'm putting this in my workout bag as soon as this video is over. And then we have one more thing. What is this? Girl, I got a body wash. Oh my God, I love body washes. Right now, my favorite one is the oil of, what is it? Olive Olay or Olay charcoal, and I forgot the name of it. Oh, but it's a charcoal one. It smells so good. So this is their Pearly Body Wash and Citrus Spritz right here, and you get 10 milliliters, 10 fluid ounces of product. Ooh, and it smells very citrusy. I don't know that. Yeah, it smells like citrus. It doesn't smell bad. I'm going to use this tonight as well. It says lather gloriously, sing, shimmy, and rinse. Cleanses and moisturizes at once. Doesn't strip your natural oils. And it is vegan and cruelty-free. No parabens, no sulfates. Okay, perfect. So I'm definitely going to be using this, guys, and it's a nice big bottle. So we did get these 3 products from Refreshments. So make sure you go onto their website or the app and check out their Refreshments. I'm telling you guys, they are pretty bomb. And I don't say that just because I get this in PR, because if it wasn't good, y'all know I would say. But the razor, I could definitely speak for the razor and the shaving cream. They worked for your girl. Now I'm gonna test these out and I'll let y'all know in the next unboxing how this worked. Okay, so that was all I have for my PR unboxing, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do enjoy spending time with you all. I know these videos been a little lengthy. I'm sorry, y'all, but you know your girl likes to talk. But that's all that I have. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all of that good stuff. Everything will be linked down below. If you want to get Ipsy, I will have my link down below. Click it and check them out. Please check out their Refreshments. If you don't check out anything, that shaving cream and them razors, girl. Now, y'all, my sister has asked me to join her. Her birthday is March 22nd, so she wants to go get Brazilian waxes. I am very nervous about that, because when I get nervous, sometimes I pass gas. So what if I'm like getting waxed and I pass gas, like while the girl or the person is down there? How embarrassing would that be? I'm going to try to vlog on that for you guys, because I think you would really love to see me do that, because I'm kind of crazy, y'all. So y'all already know what that's gonna be like. So I will let you guys know if I'm gonna go do the Brazilian wax or not. I think I am, but we're gonna see. But that's all that I have, my loves. Until next time in next video, you guys stay blessed, stay prayed up, stay loved. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.